Mr. Farm here, and I'm just watching TV. So, um, just a little updates. Today, I had a little hangout with my friend. Like, we went to the pool for 2 hours, and I went to her house for a bit, and she gave me one of her little things, because she has a lot of makeup, but she didn't give me anything big. It's really good. It's Bonbons flavored lip juicer, and it's awesome. It's if you could see it. No, you can't see it, but on the bottom it says Wet Shine. It's really good. On the back, it has this tiny text which I can't read since it's really tiny. Or is that even text? I don't even know if that's really text. Yep, that's not even text. Wait. Yep, it's text. Anyway, sorry, I'm drinking this. Life water sorbet. Yeah, that's how you say it. Pacific coconut with coconut water and all natural flavors. It's really good. And I just got a little update. Tomorrow, since it's Labor Day, tomorrow's Labor Day. Well, we're going to Ohio, which is only it's either 2.5 or just two normal hours to there. So, yeah. And we'll just be there for, I think, tomorrow. We might be there 2 days, like Sunday and Monday, because I don't have school on Monday, but I do on Tuesday. Excuse me, and yeah, so, yeah, bye.